right. That would look good on you, honey.
Honey, I want that dress.
It's okay, hon. I'll do something about it.
Bruh.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
No, it can't be.
Oh, honey, are you okay? I'm going to find a way to get you out of here.
Please, officer, let my husband go.
You have to pay $500,000 first. You're hired.
Thank you so much. Wow, nice! Finally! I can now buy this! Yay!
Here you go, ma'am. Enjoy.
Wow, I'm so pretty!
Oh, honey, where are you? You haven't visited me for years. Are you okay?